In this video, we are going to treat Lagos State Bece Mathematics Theory 2016. And the first question says, evaluate and express your answer in standard form. 0.0000585 divided by 0.09. Firstly, we have to convert this to a number that we can work with. So 1a, let's solve it. 0.0000585 divided by 0.09. Then to do this, first convert this to a standard form. So to convert these numbers to standard form, you carry this point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've moved the dot to the front. So you come 585 times 10 raised to power minus 7. Since I move it to the front, it will be minus 7 divided by, let's move this one to 1, 2, 9 times 10 raised to power minus 2. So let's solve it. So let's now write it very well. So let me write it like this. You come 585 times 10 raised to power minus 7 divided by 9 times 10 raised to power minus 2. So let's divide. 9 here 1, 9 in 585 is 65. So we now have 65 times 10 raised to power minus 7. 1 times 10 raised to power minus 2 is 10 raised to power minus 2. So we are going to bring this 10 raised to power minus 2 to the numerator. And once we bring it to the numerator, the negative sign will remove. So it becomes 65 times 10 raised to power minus 7 times 10 raised to power 2. Once you bring this 10 raised to power 2 up, the minus will remove that. Since you brought it back up. So it become 65 times 10 raised to power minus 7 plus 2. Indices. You add, since 10 is here, 10 is here, we add the power together, minus 7 plus 2. So it becomes 65 times 10 raised to power minus 5. So that's the answer. We have expressed it now in a standard form. So the second question says, construct triangle ABC such that AB is 7 cm, AC is 5 cm, and angle BAC is 60 degrees. We should measure BC. To do this, you need your pencil, your protractor, to do these things, and your compass. So firstly, when you are doing your own, you will use your protractor, your compass, and your pencil. But I'm going to explain how you are going to do it. So firstly, you take a point here, and we are going to measure 7 cm with your ruler. Then you can construct 60 degrees here, or you can use your protractor to draw the 60 degrees if you don't want to construct it with your compass. So once you construct it like this, your 60 degrees, maybe with your compass, or you are using protractor, then you measure 5 cm upward. It's supposed to be here. So this one must not be longer than this one, since this one is 7 cm and this one is 5 cm. So once you measure 5 cm, then you rule a line from this point to this point. After that, this point C, then use your ruler to measure the point from here to this place. You use your ruler to measure point line BC. So once you measure it with your ruler, you get 6.2 cm. So BC equals to 6.2 cm. So this is the end of question 1. So the second question says, there are 420 students in a school. 1/3 of the population is made up of girls. It now says, how many boys are in the school? And it says, express the number of boys as a fraction of all the students. Let's write it now. 2a. The total population in the school, total number of students in the school is 420. The girls is 1 of the girls are, the value of the girls is 1/3 of the population. You understand? That's of 420 equals to 1/3 times 420. So 3 here 1, 3 420 is 140. So the girls, total number of girls is 140. Then to know how many boys that are in the school, how many boys are in the school? The girls are 140 and the total is 420. So to get the boys, you have to minus 420 from 140. Once you do that, 420 minus 140 will give us 280. So that's the number of boys in the school. Then the second one says express the number of boys as a fraction of all the students. So to do that, the boys is what? Is what? A fraction of 420. A fraction of 220. We don't know the fraction of the boys in the total population of the school. And the boys, the total number of the boys is what? 280 equals to x of become times 420. 280 equals to 420x. Divide both sides by 420. So equal 280 over 420 equals to 420 over 420x. 420 cancel 420. So let's begin to cut. 2 here, 210 is 440. 0 cancel 0. 7 here 2, 7 here 3. So x equals to 2/3. So the number of boys is what? Is 2/3 of the total population, while the girls is what? 1/3 of the total population. So that's the end of question 2. So let's go to 2b. We just finished 2a. So 2b says find the product of 1/7 and the sum of 3/5 and one whole number 1/2. So it says find the product of 3/5. Find the product of 1/7 and the sum of 3/5 and one whole number 1/2. So let's convert that mixed fraction back to an improper fraction. So it becomes 1/7 times 3/5 plus 2 times 1 is 2 plus that one is 3/2. Remember BODMAS. Brackets must be solved first. BODMAS. BODMAS. Brackets. So let's solve our brackets. 1/7 times, let's solve our bracket finish. Let's solve it finish. The LCM is what? 10. We want to solve our bracket first. So 5 in 10 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 2 in 10 is 5. 5 times 3 is 15. So it becomes 1/7 times 6 plus 15 is 21/10. Then we now multiply. But before we multiply, we can cut. Since 7 here 1, 7 21 is 3. So the final answer is 3/10. So this is the end of question 2. So in this question 3 says, Kola tossed a fair die 30 times. He did it 30 times. And the number that showed up in each toss was given as follows: 4 2 6 4 5 3 5 4 4 3 5 4 2 4 3 1 3 5 3 5 6 4 6 4 1 5 2 3 5 3. So it says A. Prepare a frequency table for the data. B. Find the mode of the data. C. Determine the median. 4. Calculate the mean. So it says you first prepare a frequency table for the data. So let's prepare a frequency table. So let's prepare the table. 3a says prepare a frequency table. So I'm going to prepare the frequency table for it. So I'm going to divide it into four rows. I'm dividing it into 4 rows. So let's continue. So the first one is the score. The value he was getting each time he was tossing the die. Score, tally, frequency, and the fx. The frequency times the score. The score is x, the frequency is f. So the frequency times the score. So the first one, those numbers, you have 1. Those numbers that they have 2, you have 3, you have 4, you have 5, and we have 6 in the numbers. If you can look at those numbers, you have 1 to 6 there. So how many times do you see 6 there? 1 there. 1 occur 2 times, 2 occur 3 times, 3 occur 7 times, 4 occur 8 times, 5 occur 7 times, and 6 occur 3 times. So we are, this is what we used to write our tally. This 2, that's 1 2, this 3 1 2 3, this 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, this 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and the last one 6 that is here is 3. That's 1 2 3. So to get the fx, you need to multiply our frequency times our score, the value you got when each time you was tossing the die. So 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 7 is 21, 4 times 8 is 32, 7 times 5 is 35, and 3 times 6 is 18. Once you add them together, you get 114. Once you add the frequency together, you get 30. So we have prepare a frequency table for the data. Then B says find the mode of the data. The mode is equal to the highest occurring number. So the highest occurring number here is what? Is it not 4? 4 occurs 8 times. So the mode is 4. And C says determine the median. The median is the middle number after you have arranged it in ascending order or descending order. So this number, I arrange them in ascending order from 1 to 6. So the total number here is 30. So to get the middle number, I'll first divide it by 2. So dividing it by 2, it will be 15. 30 divided by 2 is 15. So 15. So let's know where the middle number is. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 7, 12. Plus 7, 12. Say 1 plus 7, 12. So here 12 plus 8 is 20. So the median will be in between 4 here. So the median is 4. So this say calculate, the question this is calculate the mean, and the mean formula for mean is summation of f of x over summation of f. That gives summation of f of x, summation of frequency times this score give us 114 over the summation of addition of the frequency together gave me 30. So 114 divided by 30, let's cut it. Here 5 in 30 is 15, 5 in 114 is 57. So let's cut it again. So 3 in 15 is 5, 3 in 57 is 19. So the mean is 19 over 5. Then let's convert it to decimal. 5 in 19. So 5 times 3 is 15. Remainder 4. Add 0 to it. That's 40. 5 in 40 is what? 8. Sorry, it's 3.8. 5 times 3 is 15. Remainder 4. Add 0. 5 in 40 is 8. So the mean is 3.8. So the mean is 3.8. So this is the end of question 3. So the question says a boy started the school flagpole at the point which is 20 meters from the foot of the pole and due east of the pole. Let's say this is the pole. And a boy sighted the pole 20 meter due east. So he said if the angle of the elevation, let me write flagpole here, you can understand. So if the angle of the elevation of the top of the flagpole from the buoy is 21, from the buoy, not from the flagpole, so from the buoy 21 degree. This is the flag. And now say find the height of the flagpole. So that means you are looking for this place X. This is our opposite and this is our adjacent. So you are going to use SOHCAHTOA. Tan 21 degree equals to X over 20. Then we cross multiply. So we cross multiply. It gives us X equals to tan 21 times 20. So X equals to tan 21 was given in our question 0.3339 times 20. So X give us 6.678 meter. 6.678 meter. Then if I can approximate it, let me approximate it. X equals to 6.7 meter. So the height of the flagpole is 6.7 meter. The height of the flagpole is 6.7 meter. So this is the end of question number 4, and this is the end of Lagos State Bece Mathematics year 2016. So don't forget to like my videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified of our latest videos. Thank you.